Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to make a quick video, and I'm just covering up the buyer's information here, but I want to discuss something very important. In the past, I was able to change and edit the address, but I just got off the phone with eBay, and unfortunately, this might be something new, but it's because they're protecting the seller's account. If you go to switch up the address or edit the buyer's address, as a seller, you keep getting this something went wrong and we were not able to produce a label. So let me tell you a quick little story here. So the buyer purchased it, had a PO box, and I selected FedEx Ground. It's going to be a lot cheaper, or UPS Ground. And it's possible to send it through the United States Postal Service, but it's like double the price. So I asked the buyer to give me a different address. He did. And when I went to edit underneath this yellow Post-it note, everything was fine, it seemed like, until I went to go purchase the label, and then I keep getting this generation something went wrong label there. So in regards to this, the eBay woman just told me what I have to do, and it's totally a bummer, but it's not that big of a deal. But I'm gonna have to actually cancel this sale. I'm actually gonna have to, cancel this whole sale. It's gonna refund him, and I'm gonna have the buyer repurchase this same exact air purifier with the correct address, not the PO box address. So if this happens to you, you're just going to have to message your buyer and say, hey, listen, unfortunately, this is the circumstance. Go ahead and edit your address first, then repurchase it so I can ship it to you that way, because the address has to be uneditable here. I don't even know why they have the edit button there. And after that is done, then you're going to be able to ship your label as normal. So hopefully the video has helped you guys. Thumbs that up if it has taken away some frustration. eBay's pretty good about jumping on the phone just in case you have issues. But if this is driving you crazy and you're trying to get to the post office in time before they close, then this should help you out. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more action in the books. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.